to my channel. In this vlog, I'm going to share how I make my bone broth recipe. There are a variety of recipes online. My preference is the carnivore way of cooking it. A quick background story. Back in college, I was so busy juggling so many things, from studies, being a member of student body government, cheer dance, flag football, and peer pressure. I unconsciously neglected my body and health. I skipped meals. Apparently, in Cebu, Puto is popular. They sell assortment of fried foods. My personal favorite is ginabot, and I just realized I ate a lot of ginabot in my life. It's a deep fried pork intestine, often dipped in vinegar with heaps of onions. So yum. Really unhealthy. My poor eating habits and bad food choices cost me several trips to the hospital, and I was diagnosed with GERD. It's gastroesophageal reflux disease. It's a digestive disorder in which your lower esophageal sphincter becomes weak, causing acid reflux or heartburn. It's curable, so I did take so many medications and be more mindful with my diet and lifestyle. However, it's so difficult to maintain moderation and modified diet because I love food. I love eating. I get acid reflux from time to time, and I always carry with me Gaviscon. Late last year, I noticed that my symptoms got even worse. My sleep is disturbed. I cough in the middle of the night. Always. I get crazy stomach pain, and I'm over it. And I found this liquid gold bone broth. It helps to reset your gut. I learned more about it from Dr. Kellyann. She has YouTube and podcast in Spotify, and I listen to her every night, like before I go to bed. I'm not gonna explain it further to you, but for more information, I'll put the link down in the description box so you can check it out for yourselves.